Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Fidelity Retirement Planner step by step clearly. To install the Fidelity Retirement Planner, begin by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Fidelity Investments website. Locate the Retirement Planning section on the homepage. Look for the option to download the Fidelity Retirement Planner. Click on the download link to start the download process. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your device. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the installation. Review the terms and conditions presented during the setup. Select the option to agree to the terms before proceeding. Choose your preferred installation directory or accept the default location. Click the Install button to start the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, you may be prompted to launch the program immediately. If not, find the Fidelity Retirement Planner icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Double-click the icon to open the program. When the program launches, you may be required to log in with your Fidelity account credentials. If you do not have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After logging in, explore the features available within the planner. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the user interface. Start inputting your financial information to begin planning for retirement. Remember to save your progress regularly as you work through the planner. Review the output and suggestions provided by the tool to optimize your retirement strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.